In order to get the correct answer of this problem, we need to follow the order of operation, okay? Then first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? In this expression, there is one addition here, one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this division, okay? This division, because multiplication and division has equal priority, but this division is found as a left of this multiplication, okay? Therefore, it has higher priority. Therefore, 12 divided by 3, which equals 4. Then 4 plus 4 times 2 minus 1, okay? In this expression, there is one addition, one multiplication, and one subtraction, okay? So, according to PEMDAS, this multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction and this addition, because multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. Therefore, 4 times 2, which equals 8. Then 4 plus 8 minus 1. So in this expression, there is one addition and one subtraction. Remember that addition and subtraction has equal priority. We have to work from left to right, okay? Therefore, 4 plus 8, which equals 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1 is just 11, okay? This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem equals to 11.